Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This is your friend Ochinto from Cycling with Ochinto. So कैसे हो आप लोग? Hope so अच्छे ही होंगे. Hope so you are doing well. আপনারা সবাই ভালো আছেন তো? তো a new day starts with a new journey. So today I will be reviewing my new bike Scott Scale 960, and then I will be also sharing my riding experience with this bike. So very much excited for it. So let's go. Now let's go and check out my bike. Let's go. This is Scott Scale 960, my new bike. See, Scott, this is Scale series and the model is 960. This is of size M. The brand is from Scott. The frame of this bike is made up of alloy 6061. It is super light. It is custom butted tubing with hydroform technology. It has tapered head tube. See, the width of this head tube is quite large. तो tapered head tube का फ़ायदा यही है कि कोई भी सस्पेंशन जो कि न्यू इन दिस मार्केट वी कैन इजीली इंस्टॉल देम इन आवर फ्रेम, दिस फ्रेम. So now let's talk about the handlebars. This handlebar is from Syncros. It is made up of alloy 6061. The length of this handlebar is 740 mm, which is quite large. Large handlebar gives stability, which is essential for mountain biking. And the head stem is from Syncros. It is made up of alloy 6061. The length of this handlebar is 31.8 mm, which is quite short, so very good for handling this bike. The seat post is from Syncros. It has lever so that we can adjust our seat position. See, like this. The seat is from Belcaria. Now let's talk about the drivetrain of this bike. The crankset is Holotech crankset, which is from SRAM NX. If I talk about the Holotech crankset, तो इसमें काफ़ी स्मूथ है. और नॉर्मली जो crankset होता है हम लोग का नॉर्मली बाइक्स में, वो लॉन्ग डिस्टेंस राइड के बाद वॉबल करने लगता है. बट इसमें ये बहुत ही स्मूथ है और बहुत ही लाइट वेट है. So it's very much smooth and lightweight as compared to the normal crankset. And the front chainring has 32 teeth. See, SRAM 32 teeth Eagle technology. And the cassette is 12 speed. The range is from 11 teeth to 50 teeth. So large range for mountain biking. And the drivetrain of this bike is from SRAM NX, so very good. The pedal is not flat actually. It is toe clip pedal, means we need to insert our shoes into this toe clip like this. We are inserting our shoe like this and we need to pedal. This provides a grip in this pedal and thus increases efficiency. It is 10% efficient than normal flat pedals actually. And oh, I have missed this point. This bike contains 2 water bottle mounting points. Means we can mount 2 water bottles in this frame. So this bike contains front suspension. This is an air suspension from RockShox Jury TK Air Solo. See, RockShox Jury. This is an air suspension, so we can insert air into this. For this we need to use a different kind of bumper, as the pressure is very high and the volume is very low. It contains remote lockout so that we can lock and unlock our suspension. The advantage of the remote lockout is that when we ride in a flat road, then we need to lock our suspension. See, the air suspension is locked, and when we ride in a rough terrain, then we need to unlock our air suspension so that the vibrations are easily absorbed by this suspension. So this provides very much efficiency. In this bike, hydraulic disc brake is provided. The braking system is provided by Shimano, which has 180 mm disc rotor in the front and 160 mm disc rotor in the rear. Hydraulic disc brakes are very powerful. The normal brakes, normal mechanical disc brakes or V brakes. The tire is from Maxxis Recon Race. It is an 29er wheel and 2.25 inch thickness. It contains a quick release so that we can easily pull this lever and the tire can easily come up from this bike, so this makes it easily repairable and transportable too. And the rim is from Syncros. It is made up of alloy 6061 and it has an Formula hubs. The tire is made up of soft rubber, so this provides very much good grip. See, very good grip this tire contains, essential for mountain biking. So let's go. This is a rough terrain, बहुत ही कच्चा रोड है, तो स्पीड बढ़ाते हुए देखते हैं। तो बहुत ही स्मूथ आ रहा है, बहुत ही स्मूथ, देख ही सकते हैं। बहुत ही ख़राब रास्ता है, फिर भी स्मूथली चल रहा है, उतना फील नहीं हो रहा है। बहुत ही कच्चा रोड है मगर फील नहीं हो रहा है उतना, देख ही सकते हैं। बहुत ही स्पीड में चलाते हुए So if you guys like this video, please put a thumbs up and click the bell icon for latest videos. And if you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. This channel belongs to cycling and vlogging mainly. This is Cycling with Achinto signing off. Bye bye.